Lesson 11.4. In this lesson, you will be able to use addition to subtract tens. So we're going to work together doing number 4. So in this lesson, we're trying to figure out how we're going to use addition to subtract to get to figure out the subtraction. So we are going to focus on this particular side first, since that's what we're going to use. We're going to use addition. So when we add, we remember that we have to move to the right side. We're going to use this arrow. So let's start with 30. That's what we have. That's what we worked on our prior unit. So we have to get all the way to 80 because that's an answer. Let's see how we can do that. I will count using tens. So to get to 80, all the way to 80. So it'll be 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So now I need to figure out how many tens I added in order to get to 80. To do that, I am going to use the strategy that we learned on our prior lessons. And that is to count on. That's from my prior unit. So it'll be plus 10, another 10, this was another 10, another 10, and another 10. So now I need to count how many tens I added in order to get to 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50. So now I know that 30 plus 50 equals 80. Wait a minute, so now I can figure out this too, because if I know that 30 plus 50 gives me 80, I know that 80 minus 30 gives me 50. And how do I know that? Because if I were to go back and now we're to subtract, I'm just going to show you really quick. To subtract from here to here, this would be minus 10, another minus 10, another minus 10, another minus 10, and another minus 10. Let's see if it would be the same. So it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So I had to subtract 50. You see? So now that's why that's the answer.